start. The obligation is on IIT Roorkee authorities to involve and invite alumni, many of whom are well placed in other universities or in industry, to come back and teach here, even if for short periods or for specific courses. If procedures need to be simplified to achieve this, then efforts must be made. Para, ladies and gentlemen, institutions such as IIT Roorkee are not just centers of education, they are also hubs of innovation and creative ideas. And it is research, innovation, and creative ideas that will help us achieve our national goals as well as address the larger concerns confronting humanity today. We have set ourselves a goal of becoming a $5 trillion economy by 2025. We are committed to achieving sustainable development goals adopted by the United Nations. We also wish to play a role in addressing global concerns such as climate change. Para, in the long term, our success lies in developing a culture of enterprise and ideas. We must nurture innovation and creativity, and I am happy to note that IIT Roorkee is doing just that. The TIDES Business Incubator here supports startups and early stage companies working on emerging technologies. Creative thinking on campus has been encouraged by doing away with hierarchy among academics and by giving students a representation in academic bodies and decision making. Para, dear students, today more than 2000 of you will graduate. I have been informed that over 1700 undergraduate and postgraduate degrees, as well as 309 doctoral degrees, will be conferred. Apart from those graduating in engineering, there are students who will graduate in fields such as management, economics, and psychology. I am told that the number of PhDs being awarded today is the highest ever for the institute. Such a thrust on research is indeed a healthy sign. Para, researchers here are working on technologies and products that contribute to the well being of their fellow citizens. These include working in cutting edge fields such as nanotechnology, artificial intelligence, computer vision, and biomaterials. Some of your recent achievements include development of para interlinked block masonry technology for rapid construction of earthquake proof houses. I am told that Niti Aayog has recommended construction of a model house in Uttarakhand Using this technology, low-cost solar cells that use different materials and rechargeable batteries for storing renewable energy. This is consistent with our national goal of using more renewable and clean energy. Stop.